Hello fans, welcome to my channel. My name is Moses once again, and I welcome you to today's tutorial, and thank you for always watching my videos. Alright, today I'll be I'll be introducing you to Coreldraw X7. So now this is the Coreldraw interface. If you see, look at the screen, you will see the workspace. So on Coreldraw, once you open the workspace, so this place highlighted now is known as the workspace. So I will introduce you to some tools on Coreldraw. So at the left hand side here are the tools you need to use. So they are the tools you make use of at the left hand side here. So I will introduce to you one after the other. The first one is the pick tool. Pick, that is to pick something. So pick tool. So that is the first tool you will find at the top left corner of your CorelDRAW, and it's applicable to any version of your CorelDRAW. Then under the pick tool we have others tool, and the second one is your shape tool. And under your shape tool we have different types of tool. So once you click on the arrow, it will show you a flyout showing different kind of tools. So this is the second, which is shape tool, and we have the third one, which is freehand tool. So the third shape you will find, the third tool is your crop tool. You use to crop out some shapes or particular portion of your objects. And the fourth one is to zoom in and zoom out. That is to it's like a magnifier to magnify the page. So that's the essence of the third one. I mean the fourth tool you will find at the left corner of your CorelDRAW page. So on the I will still do some practical example. Perhaps it will be on the next video, but on this video I'm just introducing you to some useful tools on your CorelDRAW. Now I've talked on the uh, about the zoom tool. Now the next to the zoom tool is your freehand tool. So your freehand tool, we have different categories as it has been displayed, and also we have the interactive tool. But don't worry, all these tools will be um, practicalized on as time goes on, perhaps on our subsequent videos. So I will introduce it more as we'll make use of them. So I'll explain more to you. Okay, so let me quickly show you how the crop tool works, or the line and everything. Let me quickly do some practical example. Okay, as you can see, I've drawn a rectangle. So I want to make use of the shape tool. So the usefulness of the shape tool is just to deform a particular object. As you can see, you see some knot. Once you click on the shape tool, it will bring out 4 knots, and the lines will be lighter, that is softer, and you can deform your shapes to any kind of shape you want it to be, depending on your choice. So as you can see, I've deformed the rectangle to oval shapes, and I want to make use of the crop tool now. So the function of the crop tool, as I've explained earlier, is to cut out a particular portion of your object. So you cut out a particular portion of your object. So as you can see, I have I've just cut out a small portion of the oval shape which I just created using my shape tool. Alright, you get to know more better when we post subsequent video. So this is the function of the zoom tool, or we can easily call it magnifier, to zoom in a part of your word, part of your workspace in order to see clearly. Now I want to make use. This is the function of the freehand tool. It's used to draw lines. So next I want to make use of the next item, which is your horizontal line, that is diagonal. So just trying to show you the functionality of all the tools under freehand tool. So they are basically make for line. You use to draw lines and do some other things that you feel like doing. Okay, so the next is the bezier tool. So the bezier tool is quite different from the freehand tool. So one thing about the bezier tool is to connect 2 points together, and another function is you can use your bezier tool to cut out a particular background from your object or an image. So if you want to remove a background using CorelDRAW, so you can use your bezier tool to shape out the particular shape and to cut off the background. But I will post a particular tutorial on that, on how to make use of your bezier tool to cut out remove a background from your image. So this is still the basic introduction. So I've introduced you to some little things. I've introduced you to the pick tool, some tools, and how you can do some basic things. Alright, please subscribe to my channel, share, and turn on the notification button for more content. See you next. Thank you.